Walden ma'am, namaste. Om Shanti.
Namaste, Om Shanti.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And how are you?
I am also good. So sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by opening mantra. Om. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम् मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनाम् पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओ join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. So our today's topic is bone. Pardon, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it visible?
Yes. Yes. I draw with you together.
Yeah. Okay. So first, write down the definition of bone. After that, draw this structure. If you drawing, then complete this. This is the structure of long bone. Okay. This is
Okay.
the structure of long bone, where the main body means the shaft, S-H-A-F-T, shaft of the bone or main body of a bone is known as diaphysis. Write down diaphysis. This one number is diaphysis. Okay. Here to here. This is diaphysis. D-I-A-P-H-Y-S-I-S. DIA, PHY, SIS, diaphysis. The second part, the upper and lower part. The proximal and distal end of a long bone known as epiphysis, EPI. PHY, EPI, PHY, SES, epiphysis. The epiphysis is the both end of a long bone. In between epiphysis and diaphysis, both sides, there is metaphysis, the joint of epiphysis and diaphysis. The joining area of diaphysis and epiphysis is known as metaphysis. META, the third number is metaphysis. META, PHY, SES. META, PHY, SES, metaphysis. And the fourth number is articular cartilage. It presents proximal and distal end of bone. Articular cartilage, ARTICULAR, articular cartilage, CARTILAGE, articular cartilage. And the fifth number is periosteum, 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 periosteum. That is the outer covering of bone, outer covering, outer layer of bone, periosteum. The sixth one is medullary cavity. It is cavity inside the bone through diaphysis, known as medullary cavity, MEDU, double LA RY, MEDU double LA RY, medullary cavity, CAVITY. And the seventh one is endosteum, ENDO STEUM, ENDO STEUM, endosteum. That is the inner layer of bone. Inner layer of bone that face the medullary cavity. Okay, and both end of large bone looks like spongy, so the both ends known as spongy bone, and the middle part known as compact bone. Middle part known as compact bone. There is epiphyseal line both sides. Epiphyseal line in childhood, it presents as hyaline, as the form of hyaline cartilage, which allows the growth of bone, and at the age of 18 to 20, it converts into bone known as epiphyseal line. Okay, drawing completed.
Could you please repeat?
Yeah,
each child?
I will explain again.
Mhm,
First, you just draw the
mhm.
diagram. Diagram completed or not?
Yes. Mhm,
Completed.
yes.
So write down
Mhm.
the structure of bone. Bone have a hard and not and non-pliable ground substance. Bone have a hard HARD and non-pliable NONPLIABLE non-pliable ground substance GROUND SUBSTANCE ground substance that is rich in calcium salts, and collagen fibers that is rich in calcium salt and collagen fiber. It is the hardest tissue in body. It is the hardest tissue in body. It is the main tissue. It is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. It is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. Bone supports and protects softer tissues and organs. Bone supports and protects softer tissue and organs. Long bones of the legs, serve weight bearing functions. serve weight bearing functions. WEIGST BEARING, weight bearing functions. They also interact INTERACT with skeletal muscles, skeletal muscles, SKELETAL, skeletal muscles, MUSCLES. Bone is the calcium depot of body. Bone is the calcium, CALCIUM, calcium depot, DEPOT, calcium depot of body. Clear?
Yes.
Now write down structure of a long bone. Structure of a long bone. LONG, long bone, BONE. Long bone have 7 properties. A long bone have 7 properties. The first one is diaphysis. The first one is diaphysis, DIAPHYSIS, diaphysis. Second one is epiphysis, EPIPHYSES, EPIPHYSES, epiphysis. The third one is metaphysis, METAPHYSES, METAPHYSES, metaphysis. The fourth one is articular cartilage, ARTI, CULAR, articular cartilage, CARTI, LAGE. Articular cartilage. The fifth one is periosteum, PERIOSTEUM, periosteum. Sixth is medullary cavity, MEDULLARY, medullary cavity, CAVITY. And the seventh is endosteum, 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 endosteum. Write down the first one, diaphysis, DIAPHYSIS, diaphysis. What is diaphysis? Diaphysis is the bone shaft. Diaphysis is the bone shaft, SHAFT, or body. Diaphysis is the bone shaft, SHAFT, or body, that is the long cylindrical main portion of the bone. That is the long cylindrical main portion of the bone. Long cylindrical main portion of the bone, here to here. Okay.
Yes.
Second one, epiphysis, EPIPHYSES, EPIPHYSES, epiphysis. Epiphysis is the proximal and distal ends of the bone. Epiphysis is the proximal and distal ends of the bone. Clear?
Yes.
Proximal and distal ends of the bone is known as epiphysis. Third one is metaphysis. META PHYSES. META PHYSES. Metaphysis. These are the region between diaphysis and epiphysis. These are the region between diaphysis and epiphysis. In a growing bone, GROWING, in a growing bone, its metaphysis contains an epiphyseal plate. In a growing bone, its metaphysis contains an epiphyseal plate. It is a layer of hyaline cartilage It is a layer of hyaline cartilage that allows the diaphysis the diaphysis DIAPHYSES allows the diaphysis of bone to grow in length. When a bone ceases to grow, when a bone ceases to grow, CEASES, ceases to grow in length at about age 18 to 20, as about age 18 to not 20, 21. about age 18 to 21, the cartilage in the epiphyseal plate, the cartilage in the epiphyseal plate is replaced by bone, is replaced by bone. The resulting bony structure is known as epiphyseal line. The resulting bony structure is known as epiphyseal line. EPIPHYSEAL, epiphyseal line. Clear?
Yes.
Next is articular cartilage. Fourth number, articular cartilage. ARTICULAR. Articular cartilage. CARTILAGE. It is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage. It is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage, HYALINE, hyaline cartilage, covering the part of epiphysis, Epiphysis is there, proximal and distal end. So it covers the part of epiphysis, both sides, where the bone forms an articulation, with another bone, where the bone forms an articulation with another bone. Articular, yeah.
Can you repeat, please? The first word. It is
Yeah.
a layer.
It is a thin layer, THIN. It is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage,
Mhm.
HYALINE, hyaline cartilage, covering the part of the epiphysis, EPIPHYSIS, where the bone forms an articulation with another bone. Clear?
Yes, and what is the thin layer? What is this?
Thin layer means thin and thick. This is thin.
Okay.
Yeah, that is thin. Thin layer. It is a coating.
Thin layer. Okay.
Thin layer. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Articular cartilage reduces friction. Articular cartilage reduces friction. FRICTION, reduces friction and absorbs, ABSORBS, absorbs shock at freely movable joints. absorb shock, SHOCK, at freely movable joints. Clear?
Yes.
So we completed 4 part of structure of long bone. Other 3 parts we will cover in next class, that is in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Inhale deeply, eyes closed. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 1 time Om followed by closing mantra. Om. Asato ma sadgamaya. Tamso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrityormamritam gamaya. Om. Santi, Santi, Santi. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you.
We will meet again in tomorrow's class.
See you. Take care.